Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. I have a cucumber, so let's get started.
This time around, I would like to talk to you about the importance of persistent sketching, but mostly how we can do that by participating or setting up challenges for ourselves. Many of my friends keep on asking me how I can sketch so much. Well, it's easy. I'm an introvert and I hate people, so I stay indoors and I draw a lot. But no, to be fair, I do like socializing quite a bit. And I need it too. After all, humans are social animals and we need socializing for our mental well-being. But I do tend to choose drawing over social gathering quite often. And that is an interesting balance to keep, but that might be a topic for another video. Now, I want to tell you how I encourage myself to put time into drawing when I could spend time gaming or having a good night out with friends. My secret is simple. I try to participate in different drawing sketching challenges. Why do I do this? Because it is so much easier to choose the immediate gratification of gaming or partying rather than sit alone in your room and draw. Just like in life, when we have clear goals that we are working towards, we become much more productive and stick to our plans more strictly because we can see a clear outcome at the end of the work we put in. And while some people have the discipline to draw every day without an incentive, many of us can use some help. I found that participating in monthly or weekly or even daily challenges is a great motivator for me. For example, this sketch that you see me drawing here is part of the weekly design challenge on Instagram. And while I don't always have time to participate, I look forward to every week's new topic because I get challenged to draw and explore topics I would not have done on my own. This way, I exercise sketching, but I also expand my visual library. I learn how things function and how to draw them. On top of it, you become part of a community of people who are driven and want to challenge themselves weekly, and you can learn a lot from each other. Ever since I started participating in the weekly design challenges, not only did I practice my ID sketching skills on a regular basis, but I feel I got better by trying to catch up to the fantastic designers also participating. And it's not just your sketching that benefits from this, but also your understanding and design skills. You have to think outside the box because you're gonna have very smart people coming up with very creative solutions. And please, don't think this power strip is anything special or good, but I was forced to scrap several of my ideas because other guys already came up with them. I even got a comment on this sketch that explained to me how the last socket in the row would get less power. That is amazing! I learned something new because I did a faulty drawing. So, aside from persistent drawing, you get input from the community and you widen your knowledge base. These are some of the benefits of big community challenges. But if there are no official big challenges to partake in, why not come up with your own? For the month of June, I created my own challenge where I started with one character and every day I added a small part of the story. These could be other characters or items or whatever. And because I love interacting with the community, I asked my followers on Instagram and Facebook to tell me what they would like me to draw. And I do have days where I would rather chill out or game in the evening, but the joy of picking a crazy suggestion and trying to make it work in the big picture easily pulls me back into sketching. These challenges can be nothing more than a neat trick to keep you going when you are lazy or distracted, but they are so much more than that. They help you grow in your skills. You get to know new people and become part of a community of like-minded and driven individuals. And then I didn't even mention that you generate a lot of output, and some of those ideas might be golden nuggets that can be developed into something much better further along. So, if you want to stay productive and improve your drawing game, look for the weekly design challenges, the Inktober's, the March of Robots, the Sketch a Day Maze, and many others that are out there. There's always a challenge lurking around the corner that is perfect for you. So yeah, this was my take on drawing challenges and why you should participate in as many as possible. If you have anything to add to this topic, please feel free to leave a comment down below and give this video a like or subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my stuff, I have regular updates on my Instagram page, so feel free to follow me there. I wish you all a great week and see you fine folks next time. Bye bye!